Today we'll be installing my roof spoiler. I was blessed enough to receive this from my good friend, and so if you ask me where it came from, I have no idea. But this one is already painted across black, which saves me a ton of time since my roof is already black. Look at that. I guess I'll sparklers. And my roof is black, so I won't have to paint this at all. So all I have to do now is add that 3M tape, and of course, we're gonna be using the 3M VHB. This is the strongest 3M tape out there, so you won't touch anything to your car. VHB by 3M is the way to go. Let's go ahead and prep the surface using some alcohol, and we're gonna be attaching this on. So not so funny, but funny. I ran out of VHB, so I'm using this 3M Auto Advanced Holder, whatever from Jiggy tape that I had laying around, and same thickness, same kind of length. And this is how I did it. Excuse that. So that's how it looks. Alright, I'm gonna use a heat gun to make sure I let this sit a little bit. I'm gonna attach it to the car. So I saw this hole here, and I don't think that anyone would drill into it, like to their windshields. I'm assuming this hole is for ventilation to avoid this thing from warping. I know some spoilers have that, so don't forget to leave that spot exposed. This is how it looks on the car. And while the sun's still out, blazing hot, good time to install it so I can have some heat to stick on. Let's go ahead and prep it with some alcohol. As always, I like to remove the tape halfway, so when I put it on, I won't stick too much. I did one long path right here, so I cut in the middle. Oopsie, so I did it a long way like that. So that way, whenever I put it in the car, if we adjust anything, I can still technically remove it. But I got a lot of exposed tape, so probably won't end up being like that. Usually, you want to cut like a slit in the middle and pull both of them out. But I don't have a knife, so oops. Alright, stop this on. So ideally you want to have two people doing this, but I don't have myself. So it ended up not fitting completely perfect. Typical product from eBay. I left a little gap right there. Around here. Roughly the same gap right there. And I try to keep a space with the weather seal still all the way around. So not bad by myself, I would say. And like it's on there good. I can't even pull it now, so it's on there pretty good. But just for extra protection, I'm gonna put some painter's tape and just tape a few parts right here to add some pressure point, and then let it sit until the sun goes down. And now I take it out, and then we'll get a final look. So I mean by adding the tape, add it so it's like really tight, adding that pressure to it, forcing it down. That way it'll have time to sit in the sun. Alright, let's give this a few hours until the sun goes down, and we'll look at it again.
The next day.
This is how it looks during the day. What do you think? I like it. Makes it look more aggressive. Not bad, not bad. Sorry for not posting often. Was waiting for my friend to do the body work on my wide body kit, but he's been really busy working like 80 hours a week. So I'm gonna try to tackle it myself and get some more content as well. I just got the kit back, so hopefully I can post more. And I'm trying to have this kit done by the end of the year, so we're gonna be some grinding through this. Sorry for the short video as well. I felt like it was a pretty simple install, but let me know if you guys had any questions down below and what y'all think of this roof spoiler. And if you guys have anything that y'all want to see, comment down below. I'll make it into a video. Also, shout out to everyone in that 3IS Worldwide Instagram group chat, especially those who watch my videos. Y'all funny and make my day, for real, for real. As always though, be safe, comment down below, post down some positive vibes, and subscribe as we're trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year as well. Can't wait to keep making content for you guys. As you guys know, the more viewers, the more motivation. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.